Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Real English News, and this is Sharif Akram Yamani. Let's have today's headlines. New job generation post the completion of Haram expansion works, says Makkah Mukarrama Amir Prince Mashal bin Abdullah bin Abdulaziz. The MIM process promises to get explanatory development for the Sarur Nagar Mandal Maheshwaram constituency once elected to the power. The TRS to go all alone in the upcoming polls. BJP to start its election campaign in Telangana on the Ugadi first day. And a man dies with fight with his wife at the Golconda area of Hyderabad. Headlines in details. The Amir of Makkah Mukarrama Prince Mashal bin Abdullah bin Abdul Aziz said that the completion of the Masjid al-Haram Mosque expansion works would generate new employment opportunities for the Saudi locals. According to the website alarabia.net, the Saudi government would provide jobs to the local very soon, once after the completion of expansion work at the Masjid al-Haram. The Amir Prince of Makkah Mukarrama Amir Prince Mashal bin Abdullah bin Abdul Aziz, speaking to journalists at Makkah Mukarrama, said that the Haram expansion works were going on and as per plans. He said that once expansion work are over, there would a lot of new opportunities and vacancies created out at Masjid al-Haram. He said the most opportunities would be open in the cleaning and security department of the masjid. The Haram expansion of works have been going on since the last 2 years. The new expansion plan was started by the present Saudi King Abdullah bin Abdul Aziz. The TRS has decided to fire the forthcoming elections alone. TRS MLA Harish Rao was talking to the media representatives during a roadshow in Medak district. He promised a grand win for the TRS during the upcoming elections of MPTC and ZPTC. He also spoke about the newly formed Jan Sena party during the roadshow.
తెలంగాణ ఇచ్చింది గాని తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రానికి ప్రత్యేక రాష్ట్ర హోదా గాని ప్రాణహిత జాతీయ ప్రాజెక్ట్ గాని మరి అదే విధంగా స్పెషల్ ప్యాకేజీ గాని అన్ని ఆంధ్రాకి ఇచ్చి తెలంగాణకు మొండి చేయి చూపింది కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ. ఇక మీకు తెలంగాణ ఇచ్చిన ఇంతే జాలన్నట్టుగా కాంగ్రెస్ వ్యవహరిస్తూ ఉంది. అందుకే కాంగ్రెస్ తో పొత్తు పెట్టుకునే పరిస్థితి లేదు. టీఆర్ఎస్ పార్టీ స్వంతగా ఇక్కడ రాష్ట్రంలో అధికారంలోకి వస్తుంది. వాళ్ళ అన్నగారు పార్టీ పెట్టే సామాజిక తెలంగాణని తర్వాత ఏమైపోయిందో మనం చూసినాము. చిరంజీవికి ఏ గతి పట్టిందో పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ కూడా తెలంగాణలో అదే గతి పడుతుంది. ఆయన గురించి మేము పెద్దగా పట్టించుకోము. ఆయనకు మా రాష్ట్రంతో సంబంధం లేదు.
The MIM party has promised to give remarkable and explanatory development to the Sarur Nagar Mandal Maheshwaram constituency if voted top power. The Majlis party has filed 17 MPTC and 1 ZPTC candidate for the upcoming municipal election, primarily from Shahin Nagar, Usman Nagar and Pahari Sharif areas. At a congregation organized in Wadiya Umar, Mr. Hassan bin Sharif was seen discussing on the ways of getting the Majlis party to the winning gates. Sharif Nagar's proactive Majlis leader Ahmed Sadi and Ali Hamshan also participated in the meeting. It may be remembered the state election to witness a series of elections in the form of a state parliament and municipal elections.
भी पब्लिक के जो बल्दी मसाइल हैं हमसे रुजू हुए हैं। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उनके जितने बल्दी मसाइल है, जैसा कि पानी का है, रोडों का है और जो है लाइट का है, उसके लिए जो है इंशाअल्लाह ताला उनकी हम जो भी तकालीफ सुने हैं बहुत ही अफसोसनाक है, क्योंकि 5 साल से वो लोग काफ़ी परेशान हैं, यहाँ के जितने भी लोग हैं, और उनके लिए कुछ सहूलतें नहीं थी। इंशाअल्लाह ताला हम जो है हमारे बैरिस्टर असदुद्दीन अवीसी की जानिब से जो है नुमाइंदगी कर यहाँ के जितने लोगों की तकालीफ है इंशाअल्लाह हम दूर करेंगे।
The BJP has announced to start its election campaign in the Telangana region on the day of Telugu New Year of Ugadi. BJP leader Prakash Javadekar was speaking to the media on Friday during his tour of Hyderabad. He said that the BJP would start its election campaign in Telangana on the day of Telangana New Year, that's Telugu New Year of Ugadi. He said that the BJP has a lot of mass support in the Telangana region, and hence he said that the BJP was certain of win in the Telangana region. He also added that the people of Telangana had got bored and fed up with the politics of the Congress party. He said that they were waiting to see Modi to become the next PM of India. A national conference was inaugurated by the Government of India at Hotel Golconda at Masuk. The conference conducted by the Mega Park Food was inaugurated by Mr. Siraj Hussain, IAS officer. The conference aim was to give encouragement to the food processing industry in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Mr. B.G. Meena, Additional Secretary, Government of Andhra Pradesh, also participated as the guest of honor. A man dies from the wound sustained from a dagger while doing a scuffle with his wife in Azizbagh, Golconda. According to the details, the husband died as a result of a dagger wound while undergoing an argument with his wife on Thursday. Inspector of Golconda Police Muhammad Mansoor said that the Babanagar's resident 35-year-old Mr. Muhammad Khayyum and his 25-year-old wife Ahmadi Begum were staying in a house for the past 2 months. They used to have pretty much fights over minor issues during the stay at the house. Khayyum was alcoholic and inebriated on the same Thursday night. Khayyum tried to manhandle his wife, and during this scuffle, the dagger hit Khayyum's chest and he died on the spot. Let's have a glance on today's sports news. 20 crore income tax in the year 2013 and 14. The Indian captain MS Dhoni became the highest individual taxpayer in the Bihar and Jharkhand region after paying rupees 20 crore income tax in the year 2014 and 13. India was Bangladesh life ague. Riyadh boost Bangladesh to 138 run total. World T20 India taken Bangladesh. David was Goliath test. Srinivasan gets sacked. Gavaskar to take charge as BCCI chief. SE to decide BCCI chief Srinivasan late today. Letting Srinivasan by CSK biggest error, says BCCI vice president. It was a balanced order, says Justice Muggal. Justice Mukul Muggal, who held the probe committee which conducted investigation into the IPL scandal on Friday, described the Supreme Court interim order as balanced and in the best interest of Indian cricket team. Let's have a look on today's share market. Sensex 22,339.97 as 0.57%, whereas Nifty 66,695.90 as 0.82%. Let's have a look on today's gold and silver rates. For 10 grams, 26,554 for 22 carats, whereas for 24 carats, it's 28,260 for 10 grams. And silver rates for today is for 10 grams is rupees 42,896. Let's have a look on today's weather forecast of 6 regions of Telangana region. Hyderabad minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius and maximum 42 degrees Celsius. Warangal minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius and maximum 41 degrees Celsius. Chittoor minimum temperature 26 degrees and maximum 38 degrees Celsius. Karimnagar minimum temperature 27 degrees and maximum 39 degrees Celsius. Kadapa minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius and maximum 40 degrees Celsius, and whereas Kakinada minimum temperature of 24 degrees Celsius and maximum 38 degrees Celsius. Headlines once again. New job generation post the completion of Haram expansion works, says Makkah Mukarrama Amir Prince Mashal bin Abdullah bin Abdulaziz. The MIM promises to get explanatory development for the Sarur Nagar Mandal Maheshwaram constituency once elected to the power. The TRS to go all alone in the upcoming polls. BJP to start its election campaign in Telangana on the Ugadi first day. And a man dies with fight with his wife at the Golconda area of Hyderabad. Thanks for watching Real English News. अल्लाह हाफिज़।